Okay, so now we'll go for dimensional constraints. Now we'll study dimensional constraints. So to get the dimensional constraints, first you need a sketch here. So what are the dimensional constraints you will get here? I will just list out. So first one is horizontal dimensions. Second one is vertical dimensions. So third one is parallel dimensions. Fourth one perpendicular dimensions. Fifth one angular dimensions. Sixth one diameter dimensions, that is marked indicating diameter dimension. Seventh one radius, and eighth one is perimeter. Okay. We'll see. So draw a line, okay, place. Now it is showing constraint, it is horizontal. You can just turn off the symbols of constraints, just clicking here, okay. Show all constraints, off all constraints, okay. Now if you want to get the exact required dimensions, you click on this chevron. Now inferred is it, so it will take automatically what type of object you have drawn. With respect to that one, it will take automatic, okay, it will take automatic. Suppose if you want to get the required one, for example, you just observe first initially it is gone for vertical dimensions. If I click one more time, it has gone for parallel dimensions, right? So now okay, so inferred means it will create automatically dimensions based on the selected object. If you want to go for particular dimensions, let us click here horizontal dimension. It will give the horizontal dimensions, okay. Even though you have selected inclined one, it providing horizontal dimension. Click here also, it is giving horizontal dimension. Now if you want to go for vertical, click on vertical. It is going to give the vertical dimensions, okay. So next is parallel. This is going to give the true length, okay. It is going to give the true length, right? Next, let us see this one new perpendicular dimensions. It is there, okay. Perpendicular dimensions, already constraint is existing, okay. Perpendicular dimensions. Next, angular dimensions, okay. With respect to the selected two lines, okay, or you can select an arc here. Okay, to get this one now you need one reference line here, okay. Next is diameter, okay. You click here, just it will give the diameter. Similarly, you can go for radius, radius. Okay. So next perimeter, click on this one, it's giving perimeter. Okay, it's just showing how much perimeter it has. So I think it is related to this spline. Let us check spline here. Not showing, only for arc it is giving perimeter dimensions. Okay. It has only measure, so not a dimensions placement here. Okay. Constraints already exist. Okay. Now this is all about dimensional constraints. Okay. So now let us draw some rectangle. Okay. Then you place dimensions here. Inferred. Okay. So just observe, it is showing some different color here. That means the object has been over constrained. If it is under constraint, let us see how we are going to look at. So if under constraint stage is, so you can drag or drop the diagram anywhere. Okay. You can drag, drop the diagram anywhere. If it is once it has been constrained, so you will get a difficulty for placement. Okay. Now look out here. So you can move. Okay. You can move up or down, bottom or left, but two edges have been constrained, horizontal edge as well as vertical edge. If you place one more dimension here, look at what will happen. Okay. So now possible is only up and down here, because toolbar. Because they are not given dimensions in vertical position, that is in vertical direction. It is provide dimensions. Okay. Now this is what completely constrained. Completely constrained. If you want to alter it, it is not possible to alter. Okay. Completely constrained. I think light change in colors for completely constrained and unconstrained. Okay. I'll just draw one line here. The colors are same. Okay. This is what the dimensional constraints.